Do you want to add an effect on Instagram story? You can put effects on an Insta story photo with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add effects to an Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your story at the top left of the screen. Now, take a new photo or choose one from your gallery to add to your story. Once the photo is added, tap on the sparkle effects icon at the top of the screen to explore effect options. At the bottom of the screen, you will see different effects. Select the effect you like, and it will automatically be applied to your photo. After adding the effect, you can also add text, stickers, or music to customize your story further. Finally, tap on your story at the bottom of the screen to share it. Your Instagram story will now be posted with the selected effect.